Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another sinking fund video. We are stuffing them this week and it is payday. I do them every 2 weeks, so welcome back if you are a subscriber, and if you are new, hello, hi, I am Shirley. I do budgeting and plan with me, grocery hauls, you name it, I do it. So before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe. And if you've seen my cash envelopes, you will know that we have $280 to work with. $19 of it is from our cash envelopes that we did not use from last paycheck. So we added that to it. That equals to $280 that we get to put towards sinking funds. Also, if you did not watch the last video, y'all would know that I got a small raise and it was super exciting. It was a little bit of a shock, but it's not much, but it's something, you know. I mean, it'll help me save money, it'll help me pay off debt. It's okay. So we're going to go down the list and we are going to just fit $280 within these categories, and we are stuffing vacation, college, wedding, medical, gifts, Christmas, Black Friday, we're skipping tag this week, car, beauty, and clothing. Beauty and clothing are the newest ones that I just added to the sinking fund list. I'm thinking about adding some more, but we shall see. Alright, so the main ones that we're going to focus on today is the vacation, college, wedding, Christmas, and Black Friday. Those are the ones that are going to get the most. Alright, so vacation, we are going to do $25. College, we're going to do $55. Wedding, we are going to do $25. Medical, we are going to do $25 also. Gifts is just like birthdays or anything random. That is going to get $5. Christmas is coming up and Black Friday, so they are each going to get $60. Black Friday is slowly approaching, so I need to save up as much as I can because I actually get paid on Black Friday and I really don't want to blow all of my paycheck on that day. So we're going to try to save. Car will get $15, and then beauty and clothing will get $5. I'm not too worried about putting a lot of money in there because I mean I still have a lot of makeup that I can use, and then clothing I don't really buy clothing, but you know, once in a while I can do it. Alright, so we're going to add all of these together to make sure that we are totaling the same thing that we are totaling right here, which is the 280. So 25 plus 55 plus 25 plus another 25 plus 5 plus 60 plus 60 plus 15 plus 5 plus 5 equals to $280. Thank God I got this right because last week I got it wrong in the total. So hopefully I can match it up next time. Alright, so we do have our $19 that we are not going to be putting in. So I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to do this. So minus 19, we're going to do $261. So for sure I will be getting, let's just, you know, work down the list so I won't get confused. Vacation will be 25, so that would be 120 and a 5. So we're going to subtract that. Alright, so that's 236, and then we're going to subtract 55, which will get a 50 and a 5. Alright, wedding will be 25 also, so that is going to be a 20 and a 5. Medical will be 20 also, 20 and a 5. Let's see, gifts will be a 5. Christmas and Black Friday will both be 60, so 50 and 60. And then minus 60, that should not be right. How is that not right? So let's see. I messed up. 50 and then 60 also. And let's see, 15, we'll just do 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So car we won't put down. And then beauty is 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one more, $1 for 5. If that makes sense, right? All right, so I need to figure out why this didn't add up. So let's see. So I have everything tallied. So let's see if it equals to $261 is how much we're trying to get out. All right, so 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Oh, nope, subtract 10. And then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And then 1. Oops. I messed up. Again, it's 260 plus 1. So it equals to 261. I'm not sure. Maybe I missed it. I'm pretty sure one of y'all will catch it. Somebody caught the 271 last time, and I'm very thankful for it. But that is how much we are putting in the paychecks. I need to get $261. It says $280, but I have $19 waiting for me in cash. So we are going to go to the bank. We're going to get this out, and then we are going to be stuffing. This is really exciting because these are big numbers that I'm stuffing today. All right, so on to the bank. All right, you guys, so I am back from the bank. I got $280. That does include the $19 that I got from my cash envelopes. So we're going to go down each. We're going to stuff them with these cash envelopes that I've made. And then we are going to count the total and see what our grand total is. So it's going to be very exciting. First up is going to be vacation. So we are going to put $25 in vacation. Okay, and we have a 50. So we'll have 50, 60, 70, $75 in vacation. All right, college is going to get $55. Let's see. I just started back school and it's actually going pretty good. I'm going to try to get like a week or 2 weeks ahead. So that would be really good if I could. 50, 60, 70, 80, $85. I'm going to try to save about $600, $700 this time around. I have until January actually to do that. All right. Wedding is coming up, so we only have a couple of weeks. I think it was like 49 days now. We're going to put $25 in. All right. So we did use some, so 25, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. All right. I actually have 3 weddings coming up, 4 weddings coming up. Ugh, it's crazy. Medical, we're going to put 25. I do have a doctor's appointment coming up on September 18th, and there's one in October. So I have enough for my copay for the 17th. So that'll be fine. 20, 25, 30, 35. So that's $35. All right, gifts. As you can see, I made a new envelope, and then I got the laminator from my work, and I used that. So this has $5, and we're just going to put another $5 in. 5, 10. I don't have any, well, my mom's birthday's coming up in September, but I think we're just going to go to the beach, so I'll probably just use like out to eat money or something to pay for her dinner and the beach is free, so. All right, Christmas is going to get $60. That is literally coming up soon. Super excited. Maybe I'll do a video on like what all I've got so far, what I plan on buying for people, like budgeting wise. 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So I think that would be a cool video because I'm on a budget. And I love buying stuff that's on clearance, or if I can find somewhere that's cheaper. Black Friday is going to get $60 also. Black Friday is like a holiday to me, and I like to go shopping. That's where I get most of my deals from for people. Alright, so these have 10, 15, and another 15. So there's $30 in Target gift cards. Now I've collected these throughout the year when I do deals and stuff. Let's see how much we have. So that's 100, 30, 40, 50, 51. So I have $151. That's actually really good. I'm so excited. And then one of my gifts to my mom. She really loves going Black Friday. Like, it's a tradition for me and her to go. Like, since I was 10 years old, and I'm 27 now. And we love to go Black Friday shopping together. So I think one of her like Christmas gifts, like give her money, like $100, $2, or something like that, to go shopping and do whatever she wants. So she would be happy. Tag, we're not doing anything. Car maintenance, which I've said in a previous video that I need to get windshield wipers the next time I go. So I'm about 3,000 miles before I need another service. So let's do 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See how much we actually have. I should change some of these ones out, but it's fine. 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Oop, did I mess that up? I probably messed it up. 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. That's what I get for counting really fast. Alright. So it's actually pretty good. I need to start putting more in here because I'm pretty sure I already had to replace one tire, and I had to get that out of my emergency fund, which was not good. Beauty is going to get 5. Alright, oh, let's see. I think there should only be 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, and that is also a new category. And the last but not least is clothing. Now this used to be my gift one, but I switched it to a one that actually looks like a birthday envelope. But I just need to find, I need to get a label for that this weekend. Alright, so we're going to put 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have $10. Alright, so this was actually a really good week to stuff like money in my envelopes, like bigger bills, because I increased like $25, $55, $60. So that's pretty good. Alright, so let's see if we can, you know, do this total. 75 plus 85 plus 28 plus 35 plus 10 plus 80 plus 150 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10. So $533 is how much we have. So we jumped from $271 to $533, you guys. So that is actually really, really good. I'm really excited about it. I'm super excited about putting more money in Christmas, Black Friday, vacation, and college. Those are like my main focus right now, because vacation, his brother's coming at the end of September, which $75 will be perfect because we're not going too far away. So $75 will be perfect, but our next vacation is actually in January. So we're going to save up that. We go to Comic-Con every year in New Orleans, and that is roughly $90 for the ticket, and then gas, food, stuff like that, and buying other stuff. So I want to save at least $300 probably. College, I have until January to save that up. Wedding, I have a couple of more paychecks that I can put towards that. Medical, I need to be putting more in there since I've been going to the doctor a lot more for like dermatology and stuff. I need to save up to get my teeth cleaned soon, so I need to bump up that. Gifts don't really need bumped up. I do have a lot of gifts in my gift closet, so I'm not too worried about that. Christmas and Black Friday, like I said, that is a Russian, like, it's gonna hit me straight in the face. But I pretty much just need to buy like the main family, Jared, my boyfriend, my mom, all them. So that, hopefully I can bump that up in a couple of weeks also. And then car, like I said, I need to save up for windshield wipers and tires. And then beauty and clothing is, I'm not worried about bumping that up because I can just buy whenever and whatever. So I'm not too worried about that. But you guys, that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you enjoy sinking funds as much as I do, because I absolutely love them. And I will see you guys most likely Sunday with a grocery haul. And hopefully I can do the weekly ad this week. I did not do it last week because I was working and I was just really, really tired and drowsy. I slept for like 10 hours on Saturday, so I couldn't go out and film the weekly ad. And plus, I asked one of my friends to go get it and they got the wrong newspaper. So that happened. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe down below. Let me know if you have a channel so I can go check it out. And I will see you guys later. Bye.